In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make shapes here in Canva. Now, there's a couple of different ways that we can actually create shapes. We can use Canva shapes, which is probably the best option, or we can also use elements. So if we come over here to elements just here, we're going to see shapes. Now, if we click on see all, we have lots of different shapes that we can choose from. Now, if we put them on the canvas like this, we can then start to customize these. So what we can do is change the color of these by clicking onto the shape, coming to the color icon and choosing any color that we want. If we click on the plus icon, we can also add any hex code color that we want as well, and we can turn these into a gradient. Now we can also add a border as well, just like this. And we can do that on all of these different types of shapes, as you can see. Now, this is one way to make shapes here in Canva. Another way, again, is just by using the elements. So depending on what shape we want, we can simply type that in the search bar. If we want a rectangle, we can type in rectangle, just like so. And we're going to get lots of different options under graphics. Now, what we can also do is put in anything else that we want. So first, let's just go ahead and choose one of these, just like that. Now, with the graphics, with some of them, if they're an SVG, we can also change the color up here as well. But if we want a different shape, we can simply put a circle, just like so, and then we're going to get lots of different circles. So let's go ahead and choose one of these as well, just like that. So as you can see, it's pretty easy to make shapes here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.